Welcome to ProWebcast News, where we bring you daily industry updates. Today is Wednesday, November 11th, and you're watching the Afternoon Update with Sarah Fletcher. Today's news is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every agent needs a game plan. For more information, please visit www.gameplanfinancial.com. Now for today's headlines. Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner today announced that the U.S. is working towards reducing its budget deficit and hopes that a strong value of the dollar will help the country reach this goal. Speaking at the U.S. Embassy in Japan, Geithner said, quote, "I believe deeply that it's very important to the United States, to the economic health of the United States, that we maintain a strong dollar," unquote. Finally, this news comes amid the dollar index, which measures the dollar's value against 6 major currencies, having fallen 7.6% this year, and this morning having dropped to a 15-month low of 74.889. In housing news, recent findings indicate that 5% of Americans, mostly younger than 34 years old and living in the South or West, plan to purchase a home in 2010. According to a survey commissioned by Move.com, nearly 25% of potential buyers said the top reasons to buy now are bottomed-out prices, bargain price foreclosures, concerns related to rising interest rates, and the wide selection of homes available. And while the percentage of buyers who are considering entering the housing market was down slightly from March, the figure was 1 point higher than findings in June. In investment news, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC, today warned the U.S. that increased oil prices could reduce crude demand next year, a critical time for global economic recovery. According to the OPEC, quote, "Should prices increase and be sustained above the current level, oil demand growth will be pushed down by more than 1% in the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development countries," unquote. As a result, the OPEC, which supplies about 35% of the world's crude oil, reduced its 2010 forecast of global demand growth to 750,000 barrels per day, an increase from a figure of 700,000 BPD estimated last month. I'm Sarah Fletcher, and thanks for watching ProWebcast News. For more in-depth news and features, visit producersweb.com.